and all that.
All right. Y'all enjoying yourself so far?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm glad somebody is. All right. So basically, for our final skit tonight, okay, we gonna mess with people that have agendas. Now, I'm not talking about the backstabbers. I'm not talking about people that try to sell you out. I'm not talking about that kind of agenda advocates. I'm talking about people that have a blueprint, okay, on how they want things to go. Now, last I checked, blueprints are good for building buildings and for protocol and discipline and all that other kind of good stuff, right? But what would happen if you had somebody, okay, that basically had that same kind of formula on a date? How would that turn out? Well, we're going to put that to the test, folks. So please, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and children of all ages, please give it up once again for Blue and Kiwi as we give you Follow the Agenda.
You're late because... You're late because...
I just got it.
I know you just got here. Did you read my memo?
I saw that you sent me one, but I didn't have time to open it.
Why didn't you open it? It's urgent.
Yeah, I figured I was on my way, so, yeah.
You know what? Let's just start this over. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Hi, how are you? I'm sorry I'm late.
It's okay.
Like you were.
Yeah.
So, okay. Get your phone out.
What?
Get your phone out. You need to email me.
Okay. That's the wrong email. I don't read it.
No, you need to read this. Scripted out date. Scripted. I'm so organized. I hate unorganized people. I have extreme OCD.
Sweetie, we just met last Tuesday.
I know we did.
So
Let's start this over again. Hello, my name is Tasha. What's yours? No, shake my hand.
This is a joke that's coming.
Hello, my name is Tasha.
Hey, Tasha, what's up?
That's not the script. You give me a purple handshake. Shake of hands.
Okay, I'll wait. Hi, Tasha. How are you, sweetheart?
I'm wonderful. How are you?
I'm fine. What else did I say? Scripted, right?
Why don't you read your script?
I thought that was a joke. Are you serious?
No, I'm serious. It's not a joke. It looks like I have a joking face on right now.
You sound like you laugh? No.
Look at her face.
That's a funny face, but that's really...
You find my serious face funny.
Sweetheart, is this serious? Is this a joke?
I can't meet anyone as organized like I am. It's really hard.
That's what she said.
Wow.
No, it's tripping.
Oh, yes, she did. Okay, go ahead, though. What's next?
What?
Well, it is now,
Tell me what's next.
it's 7:43,
Okay, 7:40.
and at 8 o'clock, we're supposed to have dinner,
Okay.
and then at 8:15, we're supposed to last table for about 5 minutes.
What time do I knock it?
Sign me up for the May 10th one.
Yesterday, actually. You was there. Did you get the memo?
Sign me up for May 10th.
Did you open my email?
You did not receive it. I told my email for 5 minutes. You were supposed to get it.
I was supposed
So,
to get
in
it.
my script, you don't get it until March 2nd of next year.
My script go, you want the last 7 days now? I was supposed to get it. Telephone number?
Yes.
I was supposed to get it.
Sorry, it's not that easy. We're not supposed to be dating.
Baby, I went to office right and got this easy button. I was supposed to get it.
Well, the easy one's here with you now. It's not, so it's not. Nothing easy today.
I see that. Okay, well, what's next? We got tell me what's next. I'm down with this whole thing, so hey, tell me what's up. You got plans for me?
Yeah, we just wasted about 30 minutes of hard written work that I wrote. You know, you didn't have the audacity.
I made a mistake.
You deleted it? You deleted it.
So just re-up me, baby.
We're like 40 minutes of my life right now. I can't take this. 41 minutes. 42 minutes.
Okay.
I didn't find the mistake. I didn't like that.
Reject.